Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. If you are looking for something trendy and also comfortable, but like totally on style right now, these are the Crocs for you. I had a hard time picking a color because I love so many colors, but these particular Crocs had me when I saw the glitz and glamour of this wedge heel. These clog-shaped shoes are surprisingly comfortable. I was not certain I was gonna love them, and I was happily proved wrong. I love the soft, like dove gray color of these particular Crocs, and that this glitter heel is my favorite part above all else because it adds that something special that I want. Of course, like any other Crocs, great tread, comfortable style, everything like that. But that extra little something is always what I want. They're so easy for travel, which was one of my favorite parts because they could just be slipped off on an airplane, which I have done recently and am a huge fan. They are actually surprisingly comfortable with or without socks, and I was able to comfortably endure a walk for quite some time, and that was surprising for me. I absolutely love these. My whole family now owns them. I am very proud to be the owners of these particular Crocs, and that's my point of view.